The Christmas ornament your eye is drawn to says a lot about your personality. If your eye is drawn to the more traditional, colorful glass orbs, chances are you think Christmas is more about the spirit of the season than the gifts. You love spending time with your family, especially during the holidays. You are not exactly a spontaneous person, but that doesn't bother you. On any random day, you can be found cooking up a delicious meal, reading a good book, or snuggling with your pets. If you're immediately drawn to these vintage tin ornaments, you are probably a pretty nostalgic person in general. You have fond memories of your childhood, and you think the holidays should be all about the children. People would describe you as a homebody, but that doesn't mean you don't love spending time with your best friends. These sparkly, elegant glass drops reflect your minimalist design aesthetic. You tend to be something of a minimalist in other aspects of your life as well. You have a few close friends who are like family, and you do absolutely anything for them. Your career didn't take the path you thought it would, but you're happy with where you ended up. If you like these adorable, shabby chic felt animal ornaments, you're a free thinker. You are creative and love being crafty. When you're home, you want to make sure everyone is cozy and comfortable. You don't like being the center of attention, but you love to throw in a great joke from time to time. If you are drawn to these little snowman ornaments, you believe holidays are all about winter, cold weather, and snow. You always look at the positives in life, and others know they can count on you to help them see the silver lining. It's no big deal to you to put other people's needs ahead of your own, which means you're a selfless individual. If you like these funky, modern ornaments, you're quirky and one of a kind. You are very organized, sometimes to a fault, but it helps you remain goal-oriented. Everyone who knows you knows that you're ambitious. You're a natural leader and you like being constantly busy. If you like these old-school brass ornaments, you're artsy and creative. You care about your appearance, because you know that your looks represent who you are inside. Sometimes you get caught up in the small stuff, but you can always see the big picture when it's necessary. If you are drawn to these unique ornaments, you definitely march to the beat of your own drum. You dream of traveling the world, and your friends would describe you as a jet setter. Everyone knows you are passionate and fun, they knew they can count on you for a good time. If you like these family-oriented ornaments, you're down to earth. Some people would describe you as an old soul, you're gentle and caring, and you've always been mature. You are hugely proud of your loved ones. If you are drawn to these food-focused ornaments, chances are you have a bubbly, light personality. Nothing gets you down, even when times are rough. You're great at giving advice, and people know they can trust your opinions. You always come through for the people you love, and you take pride in your friendships. If you want to know which ornaments are your friends' favorites, please share this video with them.